Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone or iPad and the AirPlay receiver are on the same Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth is on. Once done, wake the Apple TV or Smart TV and keep devices close because proximity helps discovery. If a software update is pending, install it now or note the model compatibility. Older devices may not mirror. Now open Control Center and locate screen mirroring. Tapping that begins device discovery, which is the next immediate step. Next, you initiate the connection. Open Control Center, tap screen mirroring, and pick the receiver shown. If the TV displays a 4-digit AirPlay code, enter it on your device. That secures the session. Once connected, make sure the on-screen indicator confirms mirroring, and check audio routing in case sound still plays from the phone. If orientation or overscan looks wrong, change rotation or zoom in the TV settings. These adjustments fix visual framing and improve the mirrored output. To finish, stop mirroring from Control Center or use the TV's home button. That cleanly closes the session. If mirroring fails, first restart Wi-Fi on both devices and toggle AirPlay off and on. Often discovery or handshake issues clear this way. If problems persist, reboot the iPhone and the receiver, and only then reset network settings as a last resort because that removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Finally, test with another device to isolate whether the issue is the phone or the receiver.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.